this is Zach with another cool video. This is Marita.
Hi.
And we're gonna open
Wind up
toys.
Okay, guys, it's time for the big finish.
Okay, just kick him
We're
in the butt.
gonna race now.
We're gonna race.
But first, we're gonna have to do all of them. I'm going first since he went first, okay?
Mhm.
The first one that I liked was the mummy. It was hilarious. So we're just gonna keep it down. That was amazing. Next up, I think I like this.
This one, it was crazy.
Yeah, this was crazy. So
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
I hope it still does it.
What? Why does it do that?
I have no idea. Okay.
Oh my! He drives crazy. Oh my god!
Broken? There we go. Next
Okay.
one I think I liked was this, the car.
It's a plane.
Well, whatever, car plane.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my! Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was totally hilarious.
Yeah.
The next one, I think I liked the car.
It was like crazy.
Crazy. Let's see how much I do if I do this. How much would I do?
Fast. You know something?
Yeah.
I would pick.
Oh
my god! Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Look, guys. This is necessary. Look at him! Look at him! Poor car.
It's car, fake car.
Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my god!
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I think the next one that I liked was the rabbit.
When are you gonna do all yours?
Huh? Yeah, we have to do all of them. Oh my god.
Oh my! I think you broke it, and now I fart.
Ew!
Okay.
Okay,
At
this
least
one's
it's on a
totally-
chair.
This one's broken.
Okay, that was broken.
I think I like this one last. I think I like this one again.
Oh my god! Every time, oh my gosh, what is it doing? Go to the bathroom?
Yes, you have to go to the bathroom.
He farted.
I think I like the puppy. It's cute. It's really cute.
Okay,
It doesn't
I'll help you. I'll help you.
I can do this.
You have a lot, and I don't.
We have the same.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh
my god! Oh my god!
Guys, did you guys see that? It's amazing.
Oh my god!
Okay, let's show you again, but in the front. We were probably.
Oh! Oh my gosh, that was crazy.
Guys, that's hilarious. That's awesome.
Okay, guys, that was really awesome.
I think I like this now.
Oh! Okay, that was
Okay, it's still going.
Okay, just call it crazy.
I think I like the owl.
It's cool.
Yeah, I like the owl.
Put it like. Oh my god!
The next one, I think I like this one. I think I do.
Okay, that was hilarious.
Now do it.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys, this is crazy.
The last one that I hate most of all.
What? Okay, let me pick that one. Okay.
Oh!
Oh my
Don't pick it up.
Oh my god! Oh my god! gosh! Oh my! Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. Now we're gonna... Hey, when are you done?
That was all of mine. Now it's time for Zach's.
Okay, I love the snail. I hate it a lot.
So slow.
No, I like the dinosaur. Because he said roar, 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 roar.
He doesn't say roar or whatever.
Okay, that's my hatest one. Now I love this one, the hop one. Let's do it 10 times. Is this thing broken? Oh,
Look. Do it to the computer.
yeah, we're gonna do it on the computer.
No. That was no reason.
Okay. Whoa, cool.
Wow. Okay, that's all. Pick your second favorite.
Mine is a snail.
That's no snail.
What is it?
I don't know.
Ah! He's moving his butt. Find him. Oh my! It looks like he had 3 heads. I'll let
He
you-
likes me. He likes me.
So no, he's on my team.
He likes me. Hey,
Okay, we're gonna do this one.
Ooh.
I love this one. You don't.
I don't care. I have all of these. I like the mummy and the puppy.
I love the puppy. What's
Oh,
Oh!
I'm gonna do 10 times. And 20. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see this, guys.
Guys, you just keep on flipping.
10 times.
Yeah. Oh my god!
Keep on doing it.
Okay.
That's awesome. I love the puppy.
Now I would do this one.
Oh,
Oh, I know how to do this one. I would do this one. This one's crazy.
you forgot to show them how to do this.
I did show them. Cool. I'm gonna do it with 10 times.
Who did that?
Who did that?
I'll be right back.
Ah! Okay, Dad jump scared us.
I thought it was a big dog.
Where is it?
No, there's no big dog. I'll be right back.
Why did you do that? Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it all the rest. Okay. Why did you do that?
Go over here. Go.
Wow.
What are you doing?
Come in. Go. Go to the video. Now.
Stop.
How are you stuck?
I can't walk. Don't put this in video.
Okay. Marita doesn't want to be in the video.
Okay, I'm back. I was hitting his dad.
You're gonna hit his ass. Okay. Okay, your turn. It's your turn.
No?
Hey, I already
Oh,
said
that's
them.
yours. Sorry. Zoe.
I'm gonna do it 10 times. Could you help me, Rita, doing it 10 times?
1, 2. You count.
2, 3, 4,
Oh my gosh.
5, 6, 7,
Oh my gosh. I can't do it.
7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god! Guys, oh my god!
Here, jump! Come here, master.
Wow.
You said you were stuck.
I was.
As if.
Okay, my little crab friend.
Is that the last one?
No, yeah, it was the last one. I love the crab. Yeah, look. Oh my god.
Okay, guys. Now it's time to pick our favorite ones.
No, I didn't finish it.
You said that was your last one.
No, but I said that it was the last one when I was gonna open it.
I'm double checking if there's any more. There's no more.
Okay, we're gonna throw it in the trash. No, I don't mean these. The.
No, we're gonna put all these back in there when we're done.
Okay. Now that's the last one. Okay. We're not
Okay,
gonna do all
guys.
of
Now we're gonna do a race.
them. Okay.
You gotta pick your favorite ones, but they have to be fast. I got my favorite. Wait, I need to do something. Stir this up. Actually, I got mine. Get you. Oh no.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about it. Just do the race.
Okay, it's gonna be here all the way back. Is that one here?
Yeah. This one's pretty fast.
This one is too. It's gonna be done. Done.
Done.
Whoever
Dun,
wins
dun,
gets
dun.
to pick one.
Huh?
Whoever wins gets to pick one and goes home with it.
I think I'll win.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And go.
Oh my god!
Okay. This one didn't even go. Okay. This one doesn't even go.
This is crazy.
This one doesn't go.
We're gonna try again. Oh my god!
This is so creepy.
Okay, that was
Okay, I picked my. Oh no. Okay. I'll try it out.
I'll try this one out. Why won't be great? I think he. Oh, what happened?
Is it a prop? This one, it looks like this one's been broken. I have none to play with.
You use one of mine.
Sure.
Which one do you want?
Let's see. This one.
This book? Okay. On your mark.
Hey, I'm not ready. Done.
On your mark.
Go!
Go!
This one doesn't go.
Yeah, okay. We'll try that. We're gonna try this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this one. This is the one.
Some of mine had problems.
Huh?
Some of mine had problems.
Yours is ready since it's always one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This one might win. Oh my god. Can you do it? Can you spin that?
You can get this one.
No, I want that.
No, I want it.
You said I can.
Okay. Mine is ready for takeoff.
Mine too. Go! Go!
Okay. I'm stupid. Oh no! Who won?
I have no idea again.
I think both of us won.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Go! Ah!
My God. Wait, no. I want a different one that's fast.
Go! Yes!
Oh no! How can he do this to me?
Yes! No,
I
Zach!
want it.
Zach!
You're not gonna keep it.
I'm not gonna keep it.
You said whoever wins
I
gets
was
to keep
joking.
one.
I was joking, Zach.
Okay, she
Wait.
she really wants to lie to me.
Okay, that will be all for the video.
So we will see you later.
Well, he will see you. One thing.
Leave the comments below. What was your favorite character?
My favorite one was the mummy.
Leave the comments below what you're gonna think if mine was awesome or Marita's was awesome. And we will see you later.
Oh, legs. Look. Oh!
And I will see you later.
And that will be all.
Bye. Bye.